This is Kit Kavanagh, an extraordinary Irish woman who pretended to be a man to join the British Army. Why? To find her husband, Richard. Our story begins when Christian Kit Kavanagh was a tavern owner with her husband Richard in Dublin. She was happy and in love, but then one day her husband suddenly disappeared. Eventually she received news that he had been pressed, against his will, into the British Army. Upon hearing the news, Kit Kavanagh joined the British infantry using the fake name Christian Davy. She served in the Line Infantry and proved herself a capable infantry soldier. But she then moved to a Dragoon regiment and earned herself the nickname the Pretty Dragoon. Kit fought at the famous Battle of Blenheim in 1704, and it was after this battle that she was finally reunited with her husband. However, to her horror, he was with another woman. Deciding she wanted to remain in the army, her husband Richard agreed to keep her secret, and they remained friends. They even told other soldiers that they were brothers. However, after being wounded at the Battle of Ramillies, the surgeons discovered she was female and notified her officers. Kit was discharged from the army, but allowed to remain with them as a sutler. After Richard's death in battle in 1709, she became romantically involved with Captain Ross of the Scots Greys and earned the nickname Mother Ross. After a brief marriage to another soldier who also died in battle, Kit's story reached Queen Anne of England, and she was summoned to her court so the Queen could meet the woman who had served as a line soldier for so long. She returned to Dublin, married again, and ran another pub before being admitted to the Royal Hospital Chelsea as one of its pensioners. She was buried with full military honours there in 1739 at the age of 72.
If you love Irish history and want to see more, like, comment and follow. Help us grow our community and continue to bring Ireland's story to life.